Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right, so I'm now on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Goku EA by Jordan Lewis Wells, priced at 299 US dollars, and the version here is 1.15, updated on the 25th of May 2025 with 10 activations available. Before going deeper, we can see that this is an MT5 compatible expert advisor, and we there doesn't seem to be an MT4 version, but I'm just going to be focusing this video on the MT5 version. Okay. What stands out immediately is that this EA is positioned as a prop firm focused system. We can see here, as someone deeply familiar with how tough prop firm evaluations like FTMO can be, I designed Goku EA as my personal solution to navigating these challenging assessments, right? So here we can see here with a straightforward yet powerful 1:2 risk to reward strategy, you only need a 34% win rate to break even and all of that. Right, so basically the developer explains that it was designed around a structured risk approach, specifically a 1:2 risk to reward model, which is meant to keep trading consistency more controlled rather than overly aggressive. Moving into the feature description, the EA is built around multi-time frame analysis, so it is looking at different market structures at the same time, from intraday movement all the way up to higher time frame trends, trying to align entries with broader market direction. It also mentions a combination of advanced entry logic using things like fair value gaps and volume zones, alongside a machine learning component called, based on the LSTM models. That is, we can see here I've integrated a proprietary combination of deep learning, that's the LSTM models, that analyze symbol characteristics alongside robust logic identifying fair value gaps and critical volume zones. So the idea here is that multiple signals are weighted together to form a higher confluence entry decision rather than relying on a single indicator. Another key part is the risk structure. The EA sticks to 1:2 risk to reward setup, meaning it aims for twice the reward compared to the risk taken per trade. The developer also highlights a dynamic risk scaling approach where position size can increase after winning trades, which is intended to capitalize on momentum phases. Now, moving down the page into the usage notes, I can see it is designed mainly for H1 time frames and a selection of major forex pairs and indices, including instruments like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and others. All right, US 500, USD CHF, USD CAD. Okay, so at this point, I'll just switch over to the strategy testing section to see how this performs historically. Okay, I'm going to recommend that you run this EA yourself. If you are really interested in this expert advisor, I would really recommend that you run the test on your strategy tester yourself as well. All right, and longer testing periods usually give a much clearer picture of how an EA behaves across different market conditions, especially for systems that rely on evolving market structure. So we can see here, initial deposit was $100,000, total net profit $67,902.99, and this seems to be about 3 months of back testing from 2nd January 2025 to December, to 12th May 2025, right? So that is about 4 months. Okay, so that should be roughly about 4 months plus, right? Or probably around 4.5 months. Okay, so the total trades taken were 88, profitable trades were 65, which gave us the 73.86% win rate. Now let's move over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA, the Goku EA, performed on USD CHF, which is one of the recommended pairs on the H1 time frame. We tested from the beginning of this year, 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. We're using the every tick modeling. All right, so we see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was negative 171.97, and the total trades taken were 62. Out of those 62 trades, only 16 were profitable. That gave us a 25.81% win rate. That's quite low. The largest profit was just at $7.8. Largest loss was $19.08. Average profit $20.76. Average loss $10.96. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is actually okay. Is very close to 1:2. All right. So not surprising because based on the information we saw on the marketplace page, the EA seems to target risk to rewards of around 1:2, right? So the win rate is probably one of the major causes of this negative net profit, even though that it is little compared to the initial deposit. So looking at how the strategy is described, entries seem to be triggered when multiple confluences align. Things like structure shifts, liquidity zones, and broader trend alignment across time frames. The idea is that trades are not frequent, but they are meant to be more selective and structured. Okay, so in terms of results, since we don't since we didn't run the test over a very long period of time, just roughly around 5 months of backtesting data that we did personally. And then as for the results that we saw here, that's covered around 3 months. That's the one available here on the MQL5 Marketplace page. So these durations are sorry, around 4.5 months thereabouts, right? So these durations are not exactly sufficient enough to make conclusions on the performance of the EA. But however, it's important to treat these as historical testing analysis rather than any forward expectations. So performance can also vary quite a bit depending on broker conditions, spreads, execution speed, and your own risk settings. Overall, this looks like a structured, risk-managed EA designed for disciplined trading rather than high frequency or aggressive strategies. I personally recommend testing it on demo first, adjusting settings carefully, and only moving forward once you fully understand how it behaves in live market conditions. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.